And another thing that got me thinking is do not receive more than you give. Very, it sounds somehow right, but that's the truth. Do not receive more than you give. I'm talking about I'm talking about life experience, what is happening out there. Okay, hey lovies, welcome back to another video. Oh my goodness, I've missed you all so much, my lovely subscribers. I've been away for a while now. It's been a tough week. I had a whole lot going on, and I know you all have been waiting to get beautiful content from me. And what I must say is I'm happy to be here again, okay? Do not worry, nothing bad happened. I just had to take a break off doing some videos. You know, in order for you to shoot a video, you need to be well focused, well prepared, okay? I wasn't really prepared. I had a whole lot going on. I had to sort out some issues, okay? I had a tough duty schedule as well, but it's okay. All that is gone and I'm here again. I'm glad to be here again, and I missed you all so much. If you see my face for the very first time, you're highly welcome to this amazing platform, to this amazing family, okay? You might want to go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below and click on that little bell icon, okay, the post notification bell, so you'll be notified when next I upload another video. For my returning subscribers, you all have been so amazing. Thank you all for waiting patiently for me and not going away, okay? I'm here to stay, we are here to stay, and I'm here to give you all beautiful content anytime, any day, okay? And in today's video, without much said, okay, in today's video we're going to be talking about how you can earn respect from people, okay? Your friends, your family, anybody that you're kind of close with, okay? How you can earn respect, the things you need to do, the things you ought to do in order for them to keep you at high esteem and not to rob your name on the mud, okay? So let's get right into this interesting video. I encourage you to watch right till the end of this video so you will get some important facts, and let's all see how to grow, how to make people comfortable, and how to make them respect us in every little thing we do, and not to take us for granted. That's the most important part. Do not let them take you for granted, and this point will guide you to stay on the right track and not let them rub your name to the mud, okay? Let's get right into this video. So guys, the very first respect that you would want people to give to you, okay, like the golden rule say, do unto others as you would want them do unto you, okay? So this thing is kind of, it's reciprocal. It needs to reciprocate, okay? What you give to others, let them do back to you, okay? Do not just go and you always go for people, you always go extra miles for people that they cannot do anything for you, okay? Do not cross an ocean for someone that they won't even cross a bridge, a little bridge for you. So the very first point is to be yourself and be real. What do I mean by being yourself and be real, okay? You need to be on your lane. Let people not take you for granted, all right? Like I'll quote you some examples. Okay, for being real and being yourself is by not seeking so much attention when it's not needed, okay? This thing is reciprocal. If your friend needs you, she will come for you. If you need your friend, you will go for your friend. But you should not do it all the time. If you see that you're the one always going forth for your friend, stop it. Don't cross a river for people that cannot even cross a little bridge for you, okay? Do things in a reciprocated way, okay? It should be equal. Do not go forth for people that cannot even do the same for you. Be real. Treat them in the way that you should be treated, okay? And once you notice you are the one always treating them right and they're not treating you right, back off. That's how you gain respect. They will respect you. They will not take you for granted. They will acknowledge the fact that you stood on your lane and nothing bothers you. Do not be the type you always rush out for friends. No. It should be on an equal scale. Let them rush out for you as well. You shouldn't be the one always checking up on your friend when he or she doesn't check up on you. It doesn't work that way. For example, me, really, I'm going to quote you an example. If I notice I'd be the one always texting, like after 2 or 3 days or after a week, I'll be the one to say, hey babe, what's up? Or another day I text you again, hey, how you doing? And you don't do same. Like even if I go mute for like a week, you don't do same. I will mark those days. And once I get my number right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, I will quit. I won't hate you, but I'll back off. I will stay on my lane because that's what you made me. It's important to do. You've been staying on your lane. I'm the one rushing out for you. So I will also stay on my lane to see if you rush out for me. As simple as that. Simple. Life is not to stress it out. Don't stress it. It's simple. Understand people's intention and you strive at it. Understand them and you know where you belong. Okay? I hope this point really sinks in because we need this. We really need this. So many people take you for granted because you're the only one rushing out for them. They're rushing out for you. So please, let's take note on this point, my lovies. It's very, very important. Okay? So for the points, for points number 2 now, I would like to say is don't get involved when they do not want you involved. As simple as that. So many of us try to ask what they don't want to tell us. You try as much as possible for you to know what is happening, but they don't want to tell you. Okay? Because I believe in every day-to-day life, we have people we talk to. We have people we can confide in. Though sometimes we confide in the wrong persons, but really pray hard and you know the kind of people to confide in. We have people that really spice up our day, okay? That means there is never a day that something very, very important will happen to us, something to celebrate in that will happen to us and we will not tell that person. No. So if you happen to be that person, they didn't inform you. Stay on your lane. Don't get involved asking questions that were not relevant. Because if they wanted you to know what's up, they will tell you. Okay? They will eventually tell you. I cannot just you can't just see a friend posting something on his or her status, which keeps everyone in suspense, and you'll be the one rushing to their inbox and asking them, what's up, man, what's happening, girl, what's happening, just me, just you what, like just you what? If they really needed to give you a gist, they'll be the one running to your inbox. Like, girl, this happened today, I'm so happy, this happened to me, blah, blah, blah. But if they just put something on their status that doesn't really explain what's up, like they just put a celebrating emoji, they just put something like an emoji, or they just put 1 or 2 phrases that doesn't really explain what's up, what is your problem? Why do you get to go to your inbox to ask them what's up? If they post a picture, be kind to comment on your picture. Celebrate people. Okay, celebrate. If the picture is nice, comment on it. Tell them, girl, you look good. Wow, I love your outfit. But if they put something like somebody will dress up so well, have a traveling bag, and put on the status, you'll be like, girl, where are you going to? Like, what's up? Where are you heading to? Like, seriously? If they wanted you to know where they're heading to, they will tell you. So don't be that type. You rush to know things when they don't want you involved. Celebrate with them. Talk about the picture and don't talk about the fact. Talk about the picture and leave. Wow, girl, you look good. Forget about the luggage you saw. Pretend like you didn't see it. That's me. I can't see you on the plane. You post a picture and I'm like, where are you heading to? Why? Why do I even have to ask where you're heading to? Because if you needed me to know, you would tell me without me asking, okay? Don't let people take you for granted. Really. That's why we lose our respect. People take us for granted and make us feel uncomfortable because you are the one doing it. You're rushing out for them, they won't rush out for you. Okay? And another thing that got me thinking is do not receive more than you give. It sounds somehow right, but that's the truth. Do not receive more than you give. I'm talking about life experience, what is happening out there. If you're that person that you always receive than given, trust me, your name will be rubbed to the mud. You will lose your respect. You will be taken for granted. They will trash you they trash you real good, okay? So when you receive, also try to give to make the equation balance, okay? Don't just receive from friends, receive. They'll make your name as the head of the they'll make your name case study of receiving association. Yeah, receiving association, head of receivers association, I put it that way. Okay, so stop receiving and also give. That will earn. Even when you seem not to have, okay, let's be truthful, even when you seem not to have, but you have been the one always receiving from your friend, there's sometimes stop it. Don't receive. Even when your friend wants to give you, say no, sorry, I have, okay, I'll just manage. No, it's okay, don't bother. Say stuff like that, at least to refuse it. Don't accept everything when you know you are not giving. Beware, okay? They would rub your name to the mud, really, unless you have that friend that will always stand by you and doesn't really care if you give. Okay, that's the only person that might even have your back. But most of the times, don't receive so much than you give. So just try to make it equal. Avoid being an opportunist, okay? It's not at every opportunity that you try to grab everything. No. So please, let's try to be considerate, okay? In order for you to earn respect, then do the right thing. So the next point now is, do not visit people more than the way they would visit you. As simple as that. Very simple, very straight to go. And that's how you should live your life. If you feel that you're the one always paying a friend a visit, like you go to their homes, you try to always hook up with them, then my dear, you need some time for yourself. You need some time to relax. You need some time to chillax. Relax. Feel free at your own home. There are no ants chasing you away from your home. No. This thing should be mutual. It should be balanced, on a balanced scale. If I visit you, you should also pay me a visit. As simple as that. So gonna do those days that we always want to rush out for friends and they wouldn't rush out for us. No. Right now, I stay on my lane. Trust me. I stay on my lane. I do the right thing. I pay you a visit, but obviously I'm waiting for your own visit. If I feel I pay you a visit once, twice, thrice, and the fourth time, I will stop it. And that's how it goes. Okay? So if you're that type, stop it. And if you're that type that you always want your friends to visit you and you do not do same, please start doing same now. But if you want to be all alone, and others will start being all alone to themselves, okay? And when they stop visiting you, do not feel bad because you are not returning the visit. As simple as that. Okay, my lovies, those few points I got for you guys today. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you liked this video. Please do not hesitate to give it a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done so. And turn on your bell notification so you get notified when next I upload another beautiful content like this. We're also doing hair care regimens, all the beautiful videos, and how to grow a natural, healthy hair. So please always stay tuned to my channel. I love you all so much, and please give me your thoughts in the comment section below, what you think about this video and what other points you have in order to make people not to take you for granted. We're all here to learn. So hit that comment box right now and let's share our ideas. Thank you all for watching, and see you all again in my next video.